So, good morning, friends. My name is Vijay. I'm here with my daughter Taharia, and today we are going to do this activity where we just try to understand what exactly the meaning of multimedia. Okay, and second thing that we will try to understand is how to play the music files, how to play the video files.
Don't you think I'll forget?
So that's the reason we are recording this session. So if Dhara is going to forget this, she can again play this video and understand what is play, what is multimedia, and how to play the multimedia files. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, what is the meaning of multimedia? Okay,
Multimedia, multi means more than one thing.
okay, and what is media?
Media is a thing that I know one thing and I want to show everyone. It means I can just show the music or something. I can just show, or I can just do like that kind of stuff.
Okay, so multimedia means multi. That's exactly. There are so many. Media means the way of transferring the information.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can transfer the information that you're having in many ways to another world, to the world, to the whole world.
To the whole world.
Okay,
Or
with the help of videos, with the help of audios, with the help of animation.
With the help of mathematics.
Yeah, with the help of mathematics, with the help of text files. So any information that you are having, okay, mathematics is basically the information that you are having, but what is the way to transfer this information to another is the media. Okay, so let's move to our next slide where it shows exactly what is the meaning of multimedia. Multimedia means using more than one medium of expression or communication. Okay, it's clear. So let's go to next slide where we have few examples of multimedia. Okay, for example, let's say pictures. Pictures itself is a part of multimedia, not mathematics. Okay,
Yeah.
so with the help of pictures you can transfer some information to another people. You can draw something and tell to the another person that what is exactly it is. Okay, like charts, okay, like diagrams. You can pass the information that you're having to another with the help of pictures. Second, for example, videos. You can make some videos, like you can make some YouTube videos and transfer the information that you're having to the another world. Okay, similarly we can have another ways of communications, like you're also having radios which is playing only the audios. You have the TV which will play the videos for you, and the information is transferred to the whole world. Okay, so this is what exactly is the multimedia. Next is we are going to see some examples of multimedia. For example, we have audio, video, animations,
and
text. Okay, these are some of the examples. Okay, clear. Okay, so if we are talking about the audio, okay, so in the computer or in the laptop, okay, these audio, video, animation and text files are stored.
Like water is stored in the media.
So like for example in the notepad you used to write so many things and you are going to save it in your desktop. Similarly, audio, video, animation and text files can be saved in the computer and you can play them again and again whenever you want.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like if you put minimize, it will come down here and whenever you want you can play it.
exactly, you can store it. For example, you have any video, you can save it in your computer or laptop, okay, and you can play it when you want. Okay, so for example, let's say now I will show you how to play all these things. But before that, I just want to give you a little overview that what kind of files we are talking about.
But if we minimize it to save it here, it can be saved
Yeah, we can save it.
down here.
Yeah. So for example, okay, that we'll see it later on how to save all these things. Let's come down to the audio files. Okay. So in the audio files, you have something called as a .mp3 files. Okay, where you can play the music. We have .wav, which is the wave files. Okay. Similarly, for the audios, we have something.
Videos, not audios.
I'm
Audio.
sorry. So for the videos, we have something called as .avi files. Okay. Then we have something called as a mpeg files.
Okay.
And we can have .flv files.
.flv file?
Yeah.
What does that means?
That means the extension. Basically, it's an extension. I'll show you how it works. You just remember it for the timing. Animation, we can have a .gif files. Okay. For the animation, text, we can have a .txt or we can have .doc files, which is a document or text files. Okay, I'll show you all these things just to remember you. You can just remember it that audio files, video files, animation file, text files, these are all the multimedia files. Okay, so now what we are going to do, okay, what we are going to do is we are going to learn some examples and we'll do some practicals.
Practicals?
Okay,
I love practicals.
where as per your book we have to learn how to play the music and video files.
Okay.
Okay, so that's what next we are going to learn. Okay, so I'll take you to the next folder.
Next folder?
Yeah, in this folder already I have some animation, I have some audio, GIF, text and video files. Okay,
For
so
me?
one by one, yeah, for you. So one by one what we are going to do is we are going to open all these files and we are going to play it.
Okay.
Okay, so this activity you are going to do for me. So here the Dharya is going to show you that how we can do all these things. So let's start with what you would like to start. You would like to start with video or you'd like to start with audio?
I want to start with the audio.
Okay, so
The first one.
So why don't you open the audio folder? You know how to open it, right?
Because where is the audio?
Yeah, yeah. This is the audio.
This one?
Yeah. Can you open this folder?
Oops. That one is distinct.
Yeah, open this folder.
So I have to press a double tick?
Yeah.
Okay. It's open.
So we have already learned in our previous classes that how to use the mouse.
Yeah.
If we have to open any folder, okay, we have to double click, left click 2 times
Pause.
and it will open. Okay, and another option is you can right click and choose the open option. Okay, now the same thing we are going to use to play these audio files. Okay, you can double click, left click 2 times on any of the audio files. It will automatically play in your laptop or in your computer.
Yep.
Okay, so why don't you just try it? Just
I just take audio.
yeah, you just double click it.
Yeah, with the left hand.
Yeah.
Now, like this, we have to hold it.
Double click the audio files, please.
Where is audio file?
Yeah, this is the one.
This one?
Yeah.
Wait,
Down, down. Yeah.
wait. Let it go. It's still not opening. Open.
So it is opening now, and it will start playing.
Okay. Whoa, that's cool. That's supposed to stop. What do means audio files?
So now the files will start playing. Just close it. So you can see the file will start playing. We have just reduced the volume. Okay, and now it has automatically opened the files and the music start playing. Okay, now you have to close this. So how we are going to close it? So on the top, on the right hand side corner, we have something called as a close button, and we are going to use it. Right hand side top. Here. And just single click, left click, and we'll close. Close. Okay. So this is the one way, Osho, that we can play this audios. Okay.
Files.
This is the one way, and this is the same way we are going to open all the multimedia files. Okay. Now I'll just show you the second option.
Yeah.
Okay, that how we can open these audio files. What you have to do is, instead of doing double left click, you will go to that file, okay, and you will right click and you will choose the option open.
What?
Okay, so why don't you just give a try?
Where do I have to do it?
Just go on that file,
here.
go on that file,
Or
and just click that file.
this file.
This is the, here is a file. Here, down. Yeah, here it is. Just select this file.
Select two doubles.
Okay. Go on that file, and you have done the right click, and you choose the first option, which is open. It is written OPEN, open.
Yeah.
So you will just click that file.
With left, right?
Left, because you are going to select it,
Done.
and it will open.
And it'll open.
So you see, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy, where you can open any of the animation files very easily.
Yeah.
Okay, so there are two ways. First way we have learned. Okay,
Just to press it and it will open with left click.
so why don't we just write it
Example, a practical.
here for all of our friends? What are the two ways to play it? So first way is to double Sorry.
That's a lot.
double click left. Okay, so this is the one way. You will just go to an file and double click 2 times, left click, and it will open it for you. Okay, the second way is click, right click. Okay, right click. Okay, and you have to select open from the options. Okay, so these are 2 ways to play. I'll say you can play this.
Okay, just put this full stop.
Okay, we can play the full stop.
And put
So
a-
we can two types of ways we can play any of the audio files or video files. Sorry, multimedia files. Okay. So now we will go back and
And
we'll
now,
try to open all the other files.
can I do this time video?
Okay, so now you'll go to the video files to just play the videos. Go to the video and double click and just open it. So here is the video.
Can I just do a double click left? I want to do the first option.
Okay, so she's choosing the first option, and this is her video, and this is the video actually. So one thing I just want to show you, if you don't mind.
Okay.
See, for example,
We see it.
if you see, what I want to show you is, if you see in the last, what is written? .mp4.
.mp4.
Okay, so .mp4 is one of the video extension. Any video, okay, this is one of the extension .mp4. Okay, anyhow, it is not a part of your syllabus, but just for your understanding, that .mp4 is video. .mp3 is
Is .mp4
mp4 is video, mp3 is audio.
or
Okay, so now we'll try to open this file. So there are 2 ways. Can you explain me what are the 2 ways you're having, and just show me how you can do that?
we can just, first way is just double click left, and next is just do right click and select open, and it
Okay,
will-
just show me how to do it.
I'll do the second option for you first.
I want to see both the options.
Both options. First I'll do over here. See? It's open.
So just close it.
I'll just close it.
Or now you can show me the second option.
Okay. I'll just click to file. Okay. Where's file? Just
This is the file. Here it is.
thank you. I'll click like it. Sorry. Where is the option now?
So sometimes you will get the option as a open, or sometimes you just get an option as a play. So both are same. So you can
Yeah.
just play it. Choose the first option. That's it.
See, it just can and close it. Close.
Okay. So just for our dear friends, why don't we just correct it? So we can select open or play on the options.
You did not put play, so I did not.
Okay. So now I'll just show you very quickly what are other types of files. So it will not take much time.
Then where the videos are?
Yeah. Okay. So now videos we have already done. So next we are moving over to the animations.
Yeah, I was about to say animations.
So animations is same like the video files. Okay. So we will not touch this part right now because it's same thing. You can just open and say play, and if you want to play double click, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So next is GIF. GIF is another kind of animations. Okay, you many times you have seen in the mobiles when you're playing the GIF files, it will just repeat. Okay, so we can just double click to just play it. It is asking us which app we want to use, so we use the photos here, and let's see if it is playing the animations for us. So just playing. So you can see the animation just playing.
It's so funny.
And so the same way you double click or you just open, say open,
Or just say play. Right?
say open. Okay.
Or just say play.
Sometimes your laptop don't understand or your computer don't understand that which program it is to use for that. So always it will show you the options like it was shown earlier, that you can select programs. For example, you have selected the 10 photos. So it's very easy here. Next we are moving over to text files.
Can I touch the mouse?
Yeah, so in the text, okay, this is the another way of, this is also a multimedia files, and it is another way of transferring your information in the format of text. Okay, so text, as I have shown you earlier, if you see this, I'll just help you with the help of a clipping box because it's going
Hard.
or we can use the magnifier. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay.
I'll show you something.
Magnifier? What's magnifier?
Magnifier, what it will do is it will just show you everything very, very big.
Oh, focus.
Okay, so if you see here, Roshio, these two files, you can see it's ending with .docx, and next is .txt. So file extensions which with the docx, documents, and other is .txt, which is text files, are used for text. Okay, now the opening and the closing is almost same. You can just double click these files, it will automatically open it up in the Word. Okay, because document file is a Word file, basically it's using the Microsoft Office program for you. And same way,
What's even
you just
called
close
a
it,
software?
and text file you just double click. Okay, it will open, or alternatively you can just right click and say open.
What means software?
And here also open.
What means software?
Software, okay, we are going to discuss this in another video. So right now our focus is only multimedia. Okay, so what we are left with, we have done with the audio, we have done video, text files, GIF files. So we are done with the video today. So what we should do now, we'll say thank you very much all of you to listening. If anybody wants to learn about multimedia, they can watch this video. Thank you very much.